Ano nakatagkakot ko? Oo.
Celebrity Garden daw. Pasukin natin. Oo, pasukin natin ang Celebrity Garden. Ayan, tignan natin kung sinong may-ari ng garden na to. Ayan, Nelda Patricia. Film star on the occasion of his visit to the National Garden on 12/2004. So, ayan yung garden niya.
Ito ba yung Tiger Orchid?
Sahin mo, Sisi. Ayan. Ito naman, kanino to? 2010. Kay Winda. Ayan yung sa kanya. Tapos ito naman, 2004. Kay Jay. Mr. Bayong Chun. Baiyong Chun. Ito naman ang kay Anita. Ito is pretty. Kanino naman to? Kay Saito Takumi. Ayan. Tourism Ambassador of Singapore Tourism Board Japan. Ayan. Ito naman, ang cute-cute nito. Parang nasa Torre. Dr. Ali Shihua. So cute. This is pretty too. Ito naman kay Madame Paloma Picasso, French Spanish fashion designer. Ayan, 2000. Ito naman 2003. Ang cute. Internationally acclaimed Chinese actress, singer, and United Nations Goodwill Ambassador with a special focus on environmental sustainability on the occasion of her visit to the Singapore Gardens Festival 2008. So pretty. So itong Celebrity Garden.